I've decided that I'm gonna reattach the existing bulkhead, but like not the top part, only the bottom part. The bottom part comes until this like ends at this white bracket, so it's like the perfect angle, so I don't have to construct all these different angles from wood. I just can screw this in place. I'm gonna insulate it with the thin armaflex. I would prefer to use the thick one, but because there's so little space between the seats and the metal, it's going to be difficult to add the thick insulation. So I'm going to add a thin layer of insulation on the cab side. I'm going to stick it on, bolt the floor on, and yeah, that's another part that's finished then. When this part is in, we can start to look at how we're going to construct the top part with the hatch in the middle. I'm gonna add the insulation on the living space, so I can put the thick insulation. Then I don't have to cover it up to protect it. On the driver's side, I can just cover it up with the how do you call it? I forgot the name. With the cabinets and the table that's gonna be here. So it's gonna be much easier if I do it this way. But it does mean I just got this for nothing. But I have enough spaces in the van I can use it for in the future. But I'm gonna use the thick stuff. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I'm having a lot of trouble with my nose and with my allergies. Okay, but besides that, I fitted the bottom part of the partition wall. It's nicely insulated. As you can hear, if I hit it, it doesn't like rattle like before because it's metal. I just have to find something for up here because it appears that it's like coming loose. Here's the same. Maybe I'll just run some of this aluminum tape on the top part here, just so it sticks better. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the result. Now I have to figure out how to make the top part. So I've been thinking about it, and I'm probably gonna glue or screw a wooden beam right between here, so I can then make like some sort of angle for this part of the seat. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna figure it out now. When I got the answer, I will show it to you. Okay, I'm gonna leave the partition wall for now, because I want to insulate the rest and I want to plan out how I'm gonna frame the van. So I screwed in a little beam over there, right here, and I'm planning on using the existing holes and putting a couple of beams so it can screw on the wood tongue and groove later, so I can stick them up and then screw them down at all of the beams, the support beams I placed. So now I'm getting a kind of a feel of where I'm gonna put them, and then I'm gonna keep insulating everything, so everything is insulated. And when I go to the store and I put the floor in, and can just screw everything together and start building the cabinets and the bed frame and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna keep insulating the van. There's a lot of work of insulation, even the roof still has to be done. Yeah, I thought insulating was gonna go quick, but apparently it takes a long time because there's a lot of like spaces in between. I don't even know if I'm gonna insulate it or just gonna cover this up. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, but I'm first gonna do the big parts because those are the easiest. And over there with the wires, I still want the wires to be accessible, so I have to be careful that I don't cover them up, so it's easy to get to if there's ever a problem with the backlights or with something electrical. I can just remove the panels and get to it, or if I have to like service it in the garage, they can just access it really easily. Same with the back doors. I'm not gonna insulate the whole thing. I'm gonna use one of those panels, stick the panel on and insulate that panel, just to make it easier to access if I ever need to get behind the panel. Yeah, I guess let's start insulating.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Right, it fits. So now I will cut the corners round. I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it, and then we can stick it on. Something like this. Look at that. Perfect fit.
Don't
Alright, the stop panel is in. You can see here's its nice fit. Here there's a little bit of space, but you have to remember, here there's a lot of space. Remember, it's gonna be hidden and covered anyway. I'm gonna cover everything with the thinner stuff, so you're never gonna see the imperfections. But, okay, maybe I'm gonna get a little bit of less insulation over here, insulation, but that's not like a big problem. I mean, it's still gonna be better insulated than it was not insulated. It's good enough for me, at least. So yeah, I could cover these beams up, but I'm gonna wait because I want to reuse these holes, so I don't have to make new holes. I have to kind of make some new little slats to cover everything, so I know exactly where every one of them will go. But the insulation, the top part is in. Now the door has to be done, and those back pieces.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright guys, I have a quick update. So the side is completely covered. That's how I'm doing the other side. I've also got some slats from the store to put on the walls to attach the wooden, basically to frame the van. Then here the door, same. I have almost insulated the whole door. Only the bottom part needs to be insulated. What I'm gonna do now is to insulate parts of the roof. I'm gonna wait with the place. I think I'm gonna put the fan over here, so I'm gonna wait with that part. With all the other parts, I'm going to insulate. That's about it. The reason I'm gonna do the roof now is because I don't know how much of the thick stuff I have left. If I have enough to do the whole roof, so I'm gonna do first the roof, and then with all the leftover pieces I have, I'm gonna fill the rest of the back and the doors. But first I'm gonna need to do the roof. So that's what we're doing next.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me